When you look into the eyes of a dog tangled in painful mats around sensitive areas, you begin to seize deaths. Understand that grooming is not just a skill, but a responsibility that carries emotional weight. In every grooming salon or home grooming setup, there is a quiet truth that professionals like Dr. Karen Becker often emphasize, and that truth is that comfort and safety must always come before appearance, no matter how severe the matting may look at first glance. This understanding shapes every decision a skilled groomer makes, especially when working near the eyes, ears, and joints, where even the smallest mistake can cause discomfort or lasting stress for the animal. There are moments during grooming sessions when the room becomes completely silent, when the groomer pauses and carefully assesses the condition of a tightly matted coat, knowing that the wrong movement could expose tender skin hidden beneath layers of neglect. In those moments, experience and patience matter more than speed, because rushing through delicate areas around the face or joints can turn a routine grooming task into a painful experience for the dog. This is where the philosophy taught by Dr. Karen Becker becomes especially meaningful, reminding us that animals are not just subjects of care, but living beings whose trust must be earned and protected at every step. As the groomer begins to gently work around a severely matted patch near the ear or inner leg, the tension in the air rises, because beneath those tangled fibers lies skin that may have been hidden for weeks or even months without proper airflow or care. The careful removal of mats in these sensitive zones requires not only technical skill, but also an almost meditative focus, where every movement is calculated to prevent pulling, scratching, or unnecessary stress on the animal body. In such situations, groomers often rely on techniques that involve gradual sectioning of the coat using specialized tools designed to minimize discomfort while preserving as much healthy hair as possible. Every decision must balance the immediate relief of the dog with the long-term goal of maintaining coat integrity and preventing future matting issues that could lead to even greater discomfort. This delicate balance is what separates routine grooming from professional care, and it is why education and compassion remain central to every discussion about animal well-being and grooming practices. Dr. Karen Becker often highlights that true wellness extends beyond physical appearance and includes emotional stability, especially during experiences that can feel overwhelming or unfamiliar to dogs in a grooming environment. During these carefully controlled grooming moments, the groomer must remain fully aware of both the physical condition of the dog and the emotional signals being communicated through subtle movements and reactions, ensuring that every stroke of the tool is guided by patience, knowledge, and respect for the animal, while slowly revealing the healthier coat beneath too, without causing fear or distress. As the process continues towards safe completion with steady hands and focused attention on comfort care, as the grooming process continues deeper into the most sensitive regions of the dog's body, the level of precision required increases in ways that are not always visible to the untrained eye. Around the eyes, for example, even a single tangled strand can create constant irritation that affects the dog's ability to relax or even see clearly. And this is why groomers proceed with extreme caution, using slow, controlled movements that prioritize safety above all else. In the philosophy often associated with Dr. Karen Becker, there is a strong emphasis on understanding the biological and emotional needs of animals simultaneously, which means that grooming is never just a cosmetic procedure, but a form of healthcare that directly influences quality of life. When mats form near the eyelids or brow area, the groomer must assess whether the safest option is gradual detangling or careful trimming, because pulling on this region can trigger stress, responses that ripple through the entire body of the dog. The skin here is thin and highly reactive, and any unnecessary tension can lead to redness or discomfort that lingers long after the grooming session is complete. Moving toward the ears, the challenge becomes even more intricate, because the ear canal and surrounding folds are prone to trapping moisture debris and tightly woven mats that can foreshadow early signs of infection or inflammation. A skilled groomer recognizes that this area requires not only gentle handling, but also a deep awareness of what lies beneath the coat, because each movement may reveal sensitive skin that has been deprived of airflow and cleanliness for an extended period of time. The process demands constant reassessment, where the groomer pauses frequently to ensure the dog remains calm and cooperative, as trust becomes the most important tool in the entire session. It is in these delicate transitions between detangling and trimming that the philosophy of Dr. Karen Becker becomes especially relevant, as she often advocates for reducing stress in all animal care practices and ensuring that every intervention supports long-term wellness rather than temporary aesthetic results. As the groomer carefully navigates around the ear base and inner folds, there is a growing awareness that patience is not simply a virtue, but a necessity that directly impacts the physical and emotional outcome of the procedure. Each small section of removed matting reveals healthier skin beneath, but also serves as a reminder of how easily neglect or lack of maintenance can escalate into discomfort for the animal. The suspense of the process builds quietly as the groomer approaches the most difficult junctions where joints meet dense fur, particularly around the elbows and hind legs, where movement has caused mats to tighten over time into dense restrictive knots that pull with every shift of the dog's posture and require deliberate separation techniques that avoid sudden force while maintaining the animal's sense of safety and calm throughout the ongoing care session. When the grooming process finally reaches the final stages around the joints and lower limbs, the entire atmosphere shifts into a deeper level of concentration, because these areas carry some of the most stubborn and tightly compressed mats that form when movement, friction, and time combine without proper maintenance. And as the groomer slowly works through each section, there is a growing awareness that every motion must be deliberate, because the skin beneath these knots is often more sensitive than expected, and even the slightest pull can trigger a reaction that travels through the dog in ways that require immediate adjustment of technique and rhythm. At this stage, Dr. Karen Becker reminds caregivers that healing environments are created through patience and shoe respect, not force or urgency, and this principle becomes the guiding force behind every careful separation of tangled fur around elbows, wrists, and hocks, where motion has compressed mats into almost immovable shapes. And yet, even in the most challenging moment, there is suspense building. Quietly, as the groomer discovers a hidden irritation beneath a dense patch that requires an immediate pause, reassessment, and a shift in approach to ensure the dog remains calm and detangle also. With steady breathing and careful repositioning, the groomer introduces softer techniques that reduce tension and allow the coat to release, gradually revealing skin that had been trapped beneath layers of discomfort. And as each mat finally loosens, there is a visible transformation in the dog posture. The shoulders relax, the eyes soften, and the entire body begins to communicate relief in subtle but powerful ways that affirm the importance of gentle care and attentive handling. Yet the most suspenseful moment arrives when the groomer encounters a deeply embedded knot behind the front leg that resists all initial attempts at loosening, and for a brief moment the entire process seems to stall as both groomer and dog remain still. In that pause, the philosophy of Dr. Karen Becker becomes even more vital, emphasizing that forced action can damage trust, while mindful patience can restore comfort. And so the groomer adjusts again, using incremental strokes and supportive touch until the knot slowly yields without distress. What follows is a gradual unfolding of relief as the final mats are removed and the dog stands lighter, calmer, and visibly more comfortable than at any point earlier in the session. And the groomer takes a moment to reflect on the transformation, not just of appearance but of well-being. This moment captures the essence of compassionate grooming, where skill meets empathy and where every careful dog decision shapes a better experience for the animal, and reinforces the philosophy that Dr. Karen Becker consistently advocates. And this understanding strengthens the bond between groomer and dog while ensuring lasting comfort through every stage of care that extends beyond the grooming table. If you are benefiting from our topics, please subscribe, like, and turn on the bell notification so you can see our new videos early.